Welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. We are here at Potawatomi Hotel in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We try our luck on a Lightning Link, the Moon Race. Let's get to it. Alright, so our ticket is in. We're gonna do nickel denomination. We'll do $2.50 a spin. So we need 3 of those. First spin bonus. Wow. Unbelievable. These are the progressives up above that we're playing for. So maybe we can get one of those to drop. Let's see. All right, keep dropping. Let's fill the whole screen. Let's win that grand, which is at $17,398. All right, one more spin. Save it. All right, let's see how we did. All right, so $32.50 on a first spin bonus. All right, let's keep going. See if we can't get 3 of those moon race symbols there in the first reel. That triggers the free spins bonus. Oh, it started off so nice with those coins. Ah, 4. Yeah, where were those 2 the last? The astronaut guy is wild. So we've got moon cars all the way across. All right, $33 line hit. Oh, if those coins aren't there and we had a moon car or more astronauts, would have had another nice line hit. All right, another little over $3 line hit there.
You already won big on it?
We already hit 1 bonus.
Nice.
First spin bonus.
Oh,
first spin, yeah.
Ryan Richard needed a beverage.
Yeah. Getting a little parched. Yeah. Trying to make good content for you guys.
That's right. Come on.
4 more, 1 more.
Oh, we
got it. See, Ed comes, and then we put on a show for Ed.
Yeah.
You know, that's.
I'm his biggest fan.
He missed the coin bonus, so he gets the free spin bonus.
That's right.
All right. Let's see what we can do here. Too bad we didn't have that moon car in that first one. Come on, there we go, wilds, yes. Yep. All right, a little something there, $29.
There's where you needed the wild.
Come on, coins. Oh, 2 free spin ones.
Come on, come on.
3 more.
More, right? That's all
Yeah.
you needed, damn it.
All right, so about a $35 bonus.
Not too bad.
All right, every little bit helps.
Re-trigger. I saw it.
All right.
Whoop. Right by.
We'll excuse me. We'll put this down to 400, and if we haven't hit a bonus, we'll find that next lucky slot machine. So we've already got.
I guess it doesn't matter. That's just a lander. Anyway.
2 bonuses on this one, and come on, coins.
I think they're moons this time, actually. As long as you get 6 of them, whatever.
That's right. Beggars can't be choosers, right? Start off so nice. Come on.
Come on.
3. I need 6. All right, last spin coming in, guys.
Good call.
Oh, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. We did get a few nice bonuses right from the get-go. First spin bonus on this one and the free spin bonus. So please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.